Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a perfect photo using Photoshop for Instagram. So right now we're going to enhance it, we're going to make it look better, and you can do this as a beginner because it requires no major skill. It's simply one button, so it's really simple. So let's say you open up the photo in Photoshop that you want to edit. So you're going to click on the top left hand corner, File, then click Open, then select the photo you want from your folders, and it'll open up like this. Now right now I can see that from the bat, without looking at anything else, I can see the colors are going to make this photo pop out. So you might choose to up the vibrance, saturation, the colors. But one neat trick that I learned years into Photoshop is that if we select layer 1, which is this photo, go over to filter at the top, then camera raw filter. Now this is the panel which I said before you want to play around with if you want to get the perfect photo to your own taste, or you can let Photoshop use its algorithms to make this photo perfect by clicking the edit auto button. So right here, auto, click that. Subtle changes, it brings out the colors a bit more. Okay, so we go back, let's look at the difference by turning off this layer and having a look at the old one. So we can see it's more saturated, the colors are popping out a tiny bit more. So let's go and do it again. So that layer is highlighted again, camera raw filter, auto, it makes it brighter. So now we can see the difference already is coming along very nicely. And depending on your photo, depending on when you're going to be happy, you might want to click this camera raw filter edit auto button a few times. Now this is taking it even brighter, but we can see the difference from before and after just from simply letting Photoshop do the magic. So if you was looking to edit a photo from outside, from in nature with lots of colors in the background and make the colors pop in Photoshop as a complete beginner, then this is exactly what you need to do. It's super simple, it's super easy, and I mean honestly, you need no skills. It's just having Photoshop and following this tutorial. So if you found that helpful, definitely leave a like, subscribe down below. I hope that helps anybody out. In my next video, I'm going to go through a more advanced tutorial on how you can edit a photo and make certain features pop out. But thank you for watching. Take care.